Let's unbox my new smart kitty litter box by PARUUNTYS. I basically want to know if it's as easy to build as that one girl said. Extra bags, power adapter, about 5.5 feet long, kitty-shaped air freshener, quick start guide and manual, brush for cleaning, and the legs labeled R and L right on the bottom. And of course we got Moose and Tato. There's your bottom tray to catch the Nookie Dookies and the main unit. It's all in pretty much one piece. I'm starting to believe her. It's going to tell you right here if it's an L or an R. Press the button and slide it right in. 2, 3, 4. When it's in the off position, you can't remove it. When it's on, you can. And that's how easy it is to take it out and clean it. The inside litter holder is like this waterproof slick material. So it's going to be very easy to pull that out and clean it like that. And then you can basically take this whole thing out and spray it. Just slides right in and tucks. And it's definitely a very tight seal. How cool. It's just so open. They don't have to cramp in there. They're gonna love it. Just pop it back in there with this lined up flat. Slide your bearings on and lock in the off position. Plug it in, cover it with a bag, which are custom with the lines in the front, and then slide it under. Place it on a flat surface. Download the TUYA app, hold the Wi-Fi button, and add the device. Add your litter. There is a max and minimum fill line, 7 sensors, 4 for weight, 3 for infrared, so it's gonna know when the cat jumps in. It also has sensors for pinching, so they'll never get pinched. Let's empty it fully into the bin. Here we go. Let's simulate a nice pee. That's a big one. Wow, and there it went. The whole thing is sealed in there, so it's gonna be smell proof. And it's just a cool mechanism. I love how open it is. The entrance being 16.5 by 16.5. And it nicely centers the litter when it's done.